Okay, Regents Exam 1, question number 13. Which polynomial is twice the sum of 4x squared minus x plus 1 and negative 6x squared plus x minus 4? So the key here, if you're going to do this algebraically, what you want to do, you're doing twice the sum. So the sum would be inside parentheses. So you're going to actually add these together first, combine like terms, and then we multiply by 2. So when I combine like terms, I combine 4 with negative 6, and since the negative is bigger, it gets the sign. So we're really taking the difference, even though we're combining like terms, and we get negative 2x squared. Now, a positive and a negative cancel each other out. So since that's just x, that goes away. So I come over here, and negative 4 plus 1 means I owe you $4, and you give me, I owe you $4, but I give you 1, so I still owe you 3. So we have negative 3. And that's our result. That's the sum of those two numbers. So the next thing we do is twice. So we put this in parentheses and distribute 2. So put my 2 in front and multiply everything inside parentheses by 2. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4x. You never change exponents when you're multiplying unless you're multiplying by a variable. We just multiply the number by the coefficient. So negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, and then negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. And that's our answer. Negative 4x squared minus 6. Now, if you're good with the algebra and this works for you, stop here. Don't go any further. But if you want to see a little trick, I'll take a second and I'll use the graphing calculator to do the exact same thing. So first thing I'm going to graph is what I need. So home screen, new document, say no to drugs. Add a graph page. And we're going to put in, we still need to know twice the sum. So we need to put a 2 in front and then parentheses. 4x squared minus x plus 1 plus another set of parentheses, negative 6x squared plus x minus 4. And so notice what I went back and did. I want to make sure that this is inside parentheses, this is inside parentheses, and then I have big parentheses around what I'm going to multiply by because that makes sure that I get my result. Okay? And then I'm going to do a menu, window zoom, and of course, I want to zoom fit so I can see everything. So that's what my function looks like. Now we press tab, and we know the right answer is negative 4x squared minus 6. And again, there's a way if we know that we have the original and we have choices for the right answer, we can still graph it as a function to find out if those two things are equivalent. So sometimes this is an option to go through. If you have any doubts about a question at the end, that you can, after you've finished answering all the questions, go back and check your work and make sure that the answers you picked are actually the correct answers. And that's question number 13.